show, and I came from Minnesota to back home to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I was dating a girlfriend from Minnehaha in St. Paul. I was just talking on the phone, and then next thing you know, the show was just driving and driving. Kept looking at the rear mirror a couple times. I was too busy. I didn't know what he was doing. He saw the ghost behind us and he got so scared. He froze. I realized that something was up, so I asked him what's going on. He's told me that there's nothing and let's just go home. And then the next weekend he told me that he saw a ghost sitting behind us. Then the next weekend I went up to Minnesota again by myself to see my girlfriend. So that's the story.